All right, well, good Saturday morning. Yesterday, I've been working on this and closing this shed in, this honey house, where I got my new extracting equipment. And it was built in 1960. It's kind of run down. So I just wanted to give you an update of what I did yesterday. Little bit of side. So we're gonna go around this side and you can see I got basically almost 2/3. I do have the wall up. I haven't trimmed it. I did get a door. It's just in there right now. It hasn't been even unbolted. I just wanted to make sure the hole fit. Got a bunch of cleanup to do, but right now it's looking pretty good in my opinion. New exterior door. Got to get the stuff for it, but it's coming along. Got the equipment inside, so this should be about a 350-ish. It's 18 by 20 room. Still thinking of if I'm going to put any windows in or not, or just leave it like this with just the light on the inside and the light from the doors. But yeah, 1960s screen porch. Turning it into my honey house storage room. And I don't know, for one guy working by himself yesterday, I think it's coming out pretty good. Still haven't figured out what color we're going to paint it. Got to get 5 more sheets for the other side, trim pieces, stuff like that to finish it out. But right now it's looking pretty good. I'm probably going to take these 2 bushes out here because they're really raggedy and big. I already cut one limb off. Probably going to do the others as well. So just something to look at. Bunch of cleanup has to be done, but it's looking pretty good in my opinion. So, I'll be glad to get it done. It's kind of hard, challenging doing it one person, doing it by themselves, holding up a piece of paneling and nailing it and everything else. So at any rate, I just wanted to show you the upgrades, a little short video today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode of Walker Bee Ranch.